Stick Norfolk at the start.
Thank you for that. That was great.
Oh, not a problem at all. No, I really enjoyed it.
No, I really appreciate you coming on. So yeah, thank you, and yeah, enjoy the rest of your day.
No problem. If you ever need me for anything else, anything car-wise, like I said, give me a call. I'm more than happy to help again with anything else.
So we're okay to keep your number on our system?
100%. Yeah, for sure. Not a problem at all.
Oh, brilliant. We'll do that then. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, you too. Bye.
Bye-bye. Is that okay?
Yeah, honestly.
Is that okay?
Oh, I think so.
Didn't stumble?
No.
For your Monday morning, it's Kayleigh here with you. And if you are getting in my car, you will notice a dent on the passenger side door. What about for you? Good for you. Is your car in good nick at the moment? Maybe there are some things you'd quite like to get fixed. How much does it cost as well? 08000 321 333 is my WhatsApp. Stick Norfolk at the start. And maybe you are the kind of person that as soon as something happens to the car, it goes straight away to get repaired, to get fixed. Or do you just kind of ignore them and go, do it eventually? Because it can be expensive, can't it? And I know some expert repairs for scratches can be anywhere. It's £90 to £300 to put right. But it's also expensive to leave them. Apparently, experts saying they can devalue a car, according to research, by up to 15%. And there are ways to try and do it yourself, but I don't know, maybe it's a bit of a challenge. Maybe it's just kind of gone wrong. 0800 389 7321 to call. Sam Norman is General Manager at the Body Centre Limited in Catton and joins me. Sam, good morning.
Hello there, how are you?
Yeah, pretty good, thank you, apart from the dent in my car. But it's scratches, dents, marks. It can be annoying, can't it, when it happens?
Definitely, for sure, yeah.
And I mean, what kind of things do you tend to see then? What tends to be sort of the worst casualties and the things that keep coming back?
Yeah, so we see a massive range of all types of different repairs, all the way from very, very minor bumper scuffs, all the way to major structural repairs. So yeah, we've seen it all, we can do it all, but most importantly is making sure, obviously, our customers are okay first, and then we can make the magic happen.
It can come out of sort of quite a bad time, can't it? Because I mean, you know, whether it is a small dent or whatever it is, it's annoying. But also, you know, for a lot of people, it's coming out of sort of something that's quite nasty, isn't it? But you know, the fact that you can sort of do this, I mean, it blows my mind what you can do to repair a car. Because sometimes you go, no chance. You look at it, but I mean, it sounds like you can do quite a lot with cars.
Definitely, yeah. So we're a manufacturer-approved repairer here in Norwich. So we work at the highest level possible, which means we have the tooling and the equipment, the products, the knowledge to be able to repair cars, like I said, to that higher standard, which obviously results in some major repairs, which, like you say, when you look at them, you think there is absolutely no way that's going to look normal again. But yeah, with our extremely experienced and passionate team, you'll see on our social media posts that we do create some magic.
Magic. But I mean, if you don't fix it, I mean, does it devalue the car? How much are we talking here?
For sure, yeah, definitely. Obviously, it depends on what type of car you have. If you have like a normal daily car, which had some like minor scuffs on, that's not going to make a dramatic difference because someone buying that car might be buying it for a little run around, something that they don't really need to worry about the image of it. But when you then start dealing with sort of high-end cars that are worth a lot of money, when they are looking to obviously resell the car, it can definitely make a big difference for sure. Especially when you're dealing with like collectors as well. They want the cars to be absolutely perfect, and it does make a dramatic difference on the higher level valued cars with damage on if you try to sell with the damage.
And when it comes, let's talk about fixing it yourself. I mean, obviously, if there's structural problems, you know, we're not qualified to do that. But for those minor things, I mean, do people fixing it themselves, is that a good thing? Or do they end up sort of still coming back to you because it hasn't quite worked out?
Yeah.
How does it work?
So it's yes and no for the answer to that question. I love to see people trying it out, trying to save a bit of money, having a play on the weekend. It's absolutely brilliant. But unfortunately, with how cars are made now, how the paint procedures are with colors, etc., it's almost borderline impossible to get a car to a very high standard during a repair by doing it yourself. It's not as easy as it was years and years and years ago when you could go to a shop and buy some paint and rub it down yourself and apply that paint. Now it is hours and hours and hours of processes, technology, matching paintwork, special tinters inside of paints. Certain parts have to come off to be able to paint panels. So yeah, it's very, very involved now, and with it being involved comes a cost as well. It's very expensive. How paint has gone up recently. The machinery that is needed to do these repairs is, unfortunately, it's not cheap no more. But we do our bit for the local community around Norfolk, and to be honest with you, the whole of the east of England. So we're very kind on our costings, but people know what they are coming here for. They're coming here for perfection.
And it's hard because I mean, sometimes you get the quote, you go, how much? Like, you must be crazy. But,
yes.
But as you say, like if paint is going up, so I mean, if you go back 5, 10 or so years, I mean, is it considerably more now to get that material in?
Oh yes, a huge difference with everything that's obviously happened in the world over the last sort of 5 years. Not only just paint has gone up, we all know everything's gone up, but it has gone up. Paint has gone up massively, which obviously does not help us at all. Like, I'm here to look after our customers and get the cost as low as I can to get their cars perfect again. But same as every single business in the world, when the costs go up, unfortunately we have to follow it. And obviously, like I say, keeping that quality and keeping that level and keeping the reputation we have is very important as well. So we don't want to be dropping standards, using different products, using different processes to completely lose our morals within our business. So yes, unfortunately, it is going up, but like I say, you know what you're getting.
But, I mean, it sounds like, you know, even though it is going up, people are still coming to you. So how busy does it get? How many cars do you sort of get through in a week?
Yeah, well, it's very busy. I have got a few more greys in my beard at the minute, but I never complain about that. I absolutely thrive off being busy, and I can't thank everyone enough who use us, as everyone in Norfolk, and like I said, all the people who come from all over the country. That I'm so grateful for how busy we are. But I would say on sort of rough numbers, on an extremely busy week, we could probably get through, I'll sort of give you a big region, between sort of 60 and 80 cars a week. And we have coming up to sort of 50 courtesy cars that we provide out to our customers where we got their car off the road. So yes, it's a very big setup, and it is very, very busy. So yeah, imagine trying to spin about 60 plates at the same time.
I just know that feeling. Look, Sam, it is lovely to catch up. Sam Elwyn from the Body Centre in Catton. If you just search the Body Centre Limited, all the details will come up. The socials will be there as well if you want to find out more. But I mean, maybe you've done this recently. Maybe you have gone somewhere and you've had to get it fixed. What was the cost of that? Was it pricey? And are you the sort of person that will go there straight away? Is there any scratches on your car at the moment? 08000 321 333, my WhatsApp. Stick Norfolk.